Do you want to know how you can upload your files and edit them in Fliki.ai? If yes, then this video is specially for you. Hello and welcome to Tech AI. It's your host back again with yet another interesting tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to teach you how you can upload your files in Fliki.ai. Go ahead and open Fliki.ai, log into your account, and then click New File. Write your file name, select your language, dialect, aspect ratio, start with, and then click Submit. You can see that you have created a new file. Now, to import your own video, media, or text, go ahead and click on any of these, and you can see the layer has been added. Now, to upload the file, go ahead and click on this, and you can see there are a lot of files from you can upload. You can even upload your own file by clicking Choose File over here. Now you can choose the file of your choice, and you can see that the file is been uploaded. In a while, your file will be uploaded and will be ready for you to edit. So as you can see, your file has been uploaded. Now you can edit your file by choosing the scene, background audio, media coverage, and all of these. After that, you can click on Magic Create. You can generate some ideas, prompts for blog, PPT, tweet, and any of the products. This way, you can upload your files and edit them in Fliki.ai. I hope this video was helpful for you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention us on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel, and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well. Until then, goodbye. Take care and make sure you enjoy.